amazing. I scored them and knew someone. Today I want to share my model with everyone. Robots are machines that can do many things. Some robots can talk, walk, or even help us at home. They can do all kinds of jobs. They never get tired. I think robots are amazing. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Now let me show you how I make my model with everyone.